Hello everyone. Today I have a designer terraced cottage which is new on the market and for sale in Observatory. Seems to be quite a lot of cars parked here outside today, although it is really peaceful and quiet part of Observatory. This is what your immediate neighborhood looks like, and right here next to your house is a big olive tree. On this winter's day, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. There's a couple of steps here to get in by the front door onto the front stoop. This is a creeper that's growing up here. There you can see outside alarm beams. There's a place where you can hide your key. The property is used as Airbnb, and it has received hundreds of inquiries with a star rating in almost 5 out of 5 to those who've stayed here before. It has white wood floors everywhere, to give you an idea of what it looks like, the living area. First of all, we're going to look at one of the two bedrooms here. Both bedrooms come with built-in cupboards. This specific room, sash windows with burglar bars. This specific room has got 2 single beds and wallpaper on the wall. There's also built-in shelves here, as you can see, and then there is wall-to-ceiling built-in cupboards. And from here we're going to have a look at the rest of the house. There's an alarm that works with remote control, a sophisticated modern alarm. This is the second bedroom with a double bed. There are bookshelves, also wallpaper on the walls with shelves. It is the perfect holiday cottage, city pad if you like, designer home for you to live in. The person who did most of the renovations here is Catalina Bellina, and there are 2 famous South African artists who own the property at the moment, with many of their artworks and collectibles on display. The lounge is open with a dining area. It opens to the garden, as you can see on that side over there, and open to the kitchen as well. This is your living area. These sunken lights. Then we go into the bathroom. The bathroom has 2 double doors to the garden. It also has hand basin, the mirror, place for your towels. There's some wood paneling here on the side, as you can see. Luxury tap fittings. The renovations were done maybe 2-3 years ago. With the rental market, the expectancy that it's going to take a bit of time before traveling is going back to normal. The full purpose of this property as rented accommodation is not really working at the moment, and although I'm not 100% sure, that may be the main reason why the owners are selling the property. The kitchen is a modern kitchen with a Bosch hob here, extractor, electric oven. There's also double wash up basins here, and most unusual material on the wall there. There's facilities for a dishwasher, fridge, and to the left of the fridge is a linen cupboard. More space where you can store things. The electricity board is just there. Property has been rewired. Lots of natural light. Beautiful bougainvillea on the outside. There's a stony garden with a pond. There's a built-in braai. Outside lighting. Also outside beams here to sleep peacefully at night. It's absolutely private. There's also built-in seating out here with me and my shadow following me. And that little shack over there is potential for a laundry. You can put your washing machine in there, or you could just use it as storage. That's your bathroom doors, and this is looking back at the house, which is in good condition. You can just move in, as you can see. If you want to know more, then please visit my website, hotpropertyincapetown.com, where you can find a floor plan, all the details, and my contact detail. Werner, I'm your man. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.